Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann criticized the centre over the impending arrival of another aircraft carrying illegal Indian immigrants deported from the United States. Bhagwant Mann has accused the BJP-led central government of deliberately trying to defame Punjab by choosing Amritsar as the landing site for these flights. BJP has hit out, saying that Bhagwant Mann should avoid doing politics on such sensitive issues. The Punjab Congress has also slammed Punjab Chief Minister, calling Bhagwant Mann's statement meaningless and saying that there is no bid to defame Punjab.
ਹੁਣ ਦੂਜਾ ਜਹਾਜ਼ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਜੀ। ਦੂਜਾ ਜਹਾਜ਼ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਉਤਰੂਗਾ ਜੀ। ਕਿਉਂ ਜੀ? ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਚੁਣਨ ਦਾ ਕ੍ਰਾਈਟੇਰੀਆ ਦੱਸੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੇਂਦਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ, ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰੀ ਆਫ ਐਕਸਟਰਨਲ ਅਫੇਅਰਸ, ਵਿਦੇਸ਼ ਮੰਤਰਾਲਾ। ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਚੁਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ? ਬਦਨਾਮ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਚੁਣਦੇ ਹੋ, ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਦਨਾਮ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਚੁਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ। ਇਸ ਵਕਤ ਮੋਦੀ ਦਾ ਜਹਾਜ਼ ਵੀ ਹਵਾ 'ਚ ਹੈ, ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਤੋਂ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਟਰੰਪ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ, ਤੇ ਮਗਰੀ ਉਹ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ। ਇਹ ਗਿਫਟ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਬੇੜੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਜਕੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਸਾਡੇ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਆ ਗਿਫਟ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਨੇ ट्रंप ने।
वो पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री हैं, जाहिर सी बात है कि पंजाब के मुतालिक वो चिंतित होंगे, बिलखसूस इस बात पे कि सिर्फ पंजाब के लोग ही अमेरिका से वापस नहीं भेजे जा रहे हैं, और भी रियासत हैं और शायद पंजाब के मुकाबले दूसरी रियासतों की तादाद थोड़ी ज़्यादा है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद ये अमेरिकी जहाज़ जो हैं इनको अमृतसर में ही उतारा जा रहा है। तो उनकी अगर इसके बारे में कोई खदशात है या शिकायत है, जायज़ है।
We are at Amritsar airport at this point of time. First of all, I'll request my viewer to show all these visuals. So these are the Haryana police vehicle which has already been parked here at the airport, because all the illegal immigrants who are coming in the US plane, they are being taken in these buses. We will show all these pictures, and what we have learned from the sources, around 33 people were being taken to US illegally. They are going to be deported here, and all the deportees will be taken in all these buses. We have seen there is already political war between the political parties on these deportees, and lot of questions which are being raised by the Punjab Chief Minister, saying that he doesn't know what criteria has been followed by Ministry of External Affairs to just decide that this US plane will be landed here at Amritsar. A lot of political reactions are coming. On one side, the BJP says how these people are being taken illegally to US. There is need to investigate this matter, but at the same time, we have seen the Punjab Chief Minister is putting a lot of question marks, saying it seems the way it has been decided to land plane from US to Amritsar airport, it seems they are trying to defame Punjab and Punjabis. So let's see that how the things will be unfolded. But we have seen from Haryana police, from Haryana government, the buses have already been sent to Amritsar airport, so that the deportees will be taken in these buses to the various locations of Haryana. With Vijay, Rajesh Kumar, this is Group Singh Sheena for NDTV, Amritsar, Punjab.